I just wanted to stop by this babbling brook that's created only in Minnesota spring and talk about my bike. The two things I hate about it. The only two things I dislike about this bike, and these are my only two dislikes other than the fact that I had to pay for this bike myself, are the tires and the seat. Now we'll start with the seat. This is an easy one. If you look at it, it's sloped downward. And even at 6'3", I'm finding myself sitting way up here by the tank where it's flat. Now, this is sloped and it always makes me feel like I gotta lean forward or I need to be riding aggressively. And the handlebars and the foot pegs just don't fit with the seat. I don't feel that they do anyway. I have a remedy for this. It's called Russell Day-Long saddles. Now, that is not a quick or inexpensive fix. Currently, my seat is going to be produced in July. So there's a waiting list to get them. They are custom-made seats, but that's what I'm gonna do. This little crease has been there since the first time I rode it. That's not really a complaint. The shape of the seat foam is. Now, if you wanted to fix this yourself, what you can do, pop the seat off, take the staples out, take the cover off, shave the foam down, use a hacksaw blade, something like that. Really aggressive files like a drywall rasp or something like that. You can reshape the foam, throw the seat cover back on, stretch it, staple it, good to go. That's the free other than your time way to fix it. There are other seats out there. Corbin makes a seat for this. I wouldn't take a Corbin seat if you gave it to me for free. They're the most uncomfortable things I've ever sat on. I've owned 2 of them and I've sat on 4 or 5 of them. And they suck. I hate them. I hate how hard they are. I hate how the seat welts dig into your legs. Russell Day-Long saddles, what's going on there? My other complaint, which I had to drive through this, not this, but I had to drive through that to get here. And as you can see, you know, these gravel roads are not that great. These tires are a compromise in every direction. I mean, as is the bike, but these tires, they had to put something on there that street people would be okay with, that adventure people would be okay with, but my adventures extend beyond the parking lots of restaurants, so I need something better. I'm managing. I could probably do lower tire pressure and get along a little better, but you know, this is sloppy for about 3 inches and then it turns into real hard pack or ice, and they're just not cutting it. If you're doing most of your adventures on the road and you got to go down a gravel road every once in a while, sure, they'll probably be fine, but you know, if you're getting into ruts and mud, especially mud, this soft gravel, these tires are crap. A couple of my first rides of the year are going to be on road, so I can use these up, wear them out, and then I can put something more aggressive on there for rides like this. The Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail that I'm going to do, those require better tires. So those are my only 2 complaints about this bike. Other than that, I absolutely love this bike. I don't want to say for sure right now, but I think this is going to be my favorite bike that I've ever owned or ridden on. It's just absolutely wonderful in every aspect except for the stock tires and the stock seat. So if you're wondering about any of the mods I've done to that bike, check out my playlist. I try to add anything related to this bike to my playlist on it. Otherwise, just ask down in the comments if you want to see something specific, and I'll do a video on it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, you know, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.